Okay. We out here finna get the lips polished up on these wheels. These ain't no BBS, but they nice though. They're real ugly right there. We gonna see about that. 1500 grip, soapy water, wet sand. See, get that black stuff off. There we go. All right, man. Polishing these wheels up, those lips. You dig? Out here wet sanding this 2000 grip. For something like this, we use the 1500 grip. Let's show what them boys look like. Okay. Move this out the way. You know, make sure it look good to you. It look good to you. And you can move on to the next step, which is polishing it with the buffer. Now if that looks good to you, then go ahead and move along, bro. So I like Blue Magic. I don't know why I like it, but I like it. Or get some a little generous scoop. You dig? Okay. And here's what you want to do. This is what I do. It might not be what you want to do, but this is what I do. I'm no expert, but it works. Just a little more on there. Yes, sir. A lot more, actually. Damn. Rub it till it get like that. See how I look right now? That's where you want to be at. Bitch turn black. Yeah, where you want to be at. We're gonna see. Hold on for a quick second. Inspect your work. Get you a microfiber. Let's see. Ooh wee. I wish the sun was shining. Wow. There you have it. Little wool wheel. I ain't even worried about it too much. Hit the lips a little bit. That shit should look just like a mirror. But for me, this is satisfactory. More than satisfactory, but I am satisfied. Coming from this, coming from that. I say we did a good job for a real quick job, you know what I mean? You understand? Yes, sir. Goddamn shining on them goddamn yeah. 91, baby. You understand? Yes, sir.